After suffering a stroke, Joseph Owens is slowly regaining his speech, something that's extremely important to him as a minister.
There were some things that I couldn't speak or I wouldn't remember some things.
Owens is actually one of the lucky ones. About 80% of ischemic stroke patients don't receive clot-busting therapy in time to prevent permanent effects to their speech, cognition, and motor function.
So the red here is the neurons.
But new technology developed at the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center and Ohio State University College of Engineering provides hope for unprecedented stroke recovery.
This technology has an opportunity to allow regeneration of tissue after stroke, such that in a delayed fashion, we have a treatment option for these patients.
This innovative cell therapy uses ordinary skin cells loaded with specific DNA that, when delivered to the brain, trains these skin cells to become blood vessel cells, growing new healthy tissue and restoring normal blood flow to the brain.
We sort of rewrite the genetic code of the cell to some extent, so that the cell sort of remembers that it has some sort of plasticity. It can become something else, and then with the right signals, we can tell that cell to become what we want that cell to become.
Researchers studied the approach in mice, administering the cells 7 days after stroke. Within 2 weeks, the mice regained 90% of their motor function, and MRI scans showed that damage to brain tissue was reversed.
We literally saw an improvement in the two most important aspects of stroke recovery in preclinical models.
The hope is that this will one day help patients like Owens recover and get back to their lives. At the Ohio State Wexner Medical Center, this is Barb Consiglio reporting.